Hello everyone, and welcome to another vlog. Welcome to the first day of Vlogmas. It is about 9 a.m. and I've already started making us breakfast. I already washed my face and did all my skincare, and now I'm just gonna wait for the oatmeal to be done. But I wanted to say welcome to this vlog. If you don't know, we do Vlogmas here. This is our second year doing it. And I am so excited because I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like a way of remembering kind of like what our Christmas looked like every year. I don't know, kind of like for our own memories, I guess. But also hopefully you guys enjoy watching them. I don't know what this Vlogmas will look like since we are still in the middle of COVID and there's not much that we can do, and we live in California and it seems like we're going backwards. So hopefully we'll still be able to show you guys some fun things here and there. Also, as you guys can see already in the back behind me, we already put up our Christmas tree. I couldn't wait. So we did it the week of Thanksgiving, which was that last week? I think it was last week. We put up our Christmas tree and I decorated around the apartment, so I'll show you guys that later on. But yeah, we're all ready for Christmas here, and this is our first year with actually a fake tree, so that's exciting too. I don't know what else, but yeah, just wanted to come on and say hello, and hopefully you guys will be riding along with our Vlogmas this year. I don't know if I'll be going all the way till Christmas or New Year's. We'll see. I guess depends on our plans, but either way, for sure until Christmas. So that's gonna be 25 days of Vlogmases, and I might try to throw in a few videos here and there of like beauty, maybe, and lifestyle. Well, I guess this is lifestyle of beauty. We'll see if I have time to do that, because editing vlogs are sometimes a bit difficult. Okay, but come here. I'm gonna show everybody your bow tie. Come here. No? Oh, that's such a nice bow tie. Hello everyone, it is about 12:30 and I've been editing a video. It's a collective haul, which hopefully will be up this week, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But I stopped to make myself some lunch, because if I don't stop, I don't eat. If I don't eat, I get a stomach ache. Francisco will not be joining me because he wants to have a protein shake and apparently wants to be healthy. Can't relate. But let me show you guys what I'll be making. It's super easy. I'm just gonna have eggs because I had oatmeal for breakfast. I feel like I earned a piece of bread. So let me show you guys what I'm having. Having some of these eggs. These are pasture raised, maybe organic, I don't remember. These are just leftover from a whatever carton, I think they're called, that Francisco bought last week, because we ran out of our eggs that we usually buy at Costco. So he just quickly went to get those, and then I'm gonna have them with a slice of this Canyon Bakehouse gluten-free 7-grain bread. I've actually really been enjoying this. I'm pretty sure this is healthy. So those are the ingredients, and it has 90 calories per slice. So I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna drizzle it with some of this salsa that Francisco's mom gave us for Thanksgiving, so we have a little bit left. So I'll probably just drizzle that all over my eggs, and I'm just gonna make like scrambled eggs. And also, I just remembered that my sister's co-worker gave her some tamales, and I haven't even tried them yet, so I went ahead and warmed one up. I have no idea what this one is. It looks like it's like a red tamale, so maybe like pork, possibly. I don't know. So I'm gonna have this with the eggs because I don't want the eggs to go to waste, and I forgot that I had tamale, so put this with the eggs, some lime, some salsa, and have some lunch. All right, so if there's one thing that you need to know about me, it is that I love cooking, but I love cooking in a way that it makes it easy for me. I don't want to cook for 10 hours in the kitchen. I don't like doing that. So usually if I find a recipe that's like make something 5 hours, take it out another 2 hours, I usually won't make it. So I try to look for things that are easy. So if I want to make a recipe, I'll usually try to look for like the easy recipe version of it, which I know most of the time won't be like authentic or whatever, but I just don't care. I like my life to be easy. So I watch Flavcity Bobby all the time, and not so much his videos, but I follow him on Instagram, and I do watch on occasion some videos, but he teaches a lot about like ingredients and brands and stuff like that. And then I've learned a lot about what we should be eating and should not be eating, and what to look for in our food, and I've switched over a lot of our food. So he released a book today, actually, December 1st. It goes live on Amazon. I'll link it below in case you guys are interested. But I was super excited because this book is supposed to be 5 ingredients, semi-home cooked, homemade meals. And that made me so excited because I don't like cooking 100% my meals. So if I can find a meal that's healthy, good ingredients, and fast, I'm in. So let me show you guys this book because it's amazing and you need it in your life. Let me know if you guys end up picking it up because that would make me so excited. I'm so excited to make pretty much everything on this book. I have other cookbooks that certain things I'm just like, no, that's not for me, not for me. But this book, honestly, almost everything that's in there, I want to make. So this is the book right here. This is Bobby, this is Desi, and this is their little daughter, Rose. And this is what it looks like. It has 5 ingredients, semi-homemade meals, 50 easy recipes with expert shopping tips. And these are some of the meals right there. This is kind of what it includes. So it has shopping tips, pantry staples, baking pantry staples, breakfast all day, carnivore style, comfort food, sweets, happy hour, seafood, broth, and a ton of other things. And this is their daughter. She's so cute. I'm just so excited for this book. So let me show you a few of the recipes that I want to make as soon as possible. Also, he listed here the Dirty Dozens. These are the vegetables and fruits that you should get organic, and these are the ones that are not needed to be organic. I'm so excited that he put these here because I'm always like, which one was it? Which one was it? So super helpful. These are your pantry staples. So this is one of the things I'm excited to make, the meatball breakfast hash. What else did I see? Crispy crepes Benedict. That looks amazing. So I actually probably will be making this very soon. The post-workout protein. Not right now because I'm gonna get colds. This is one thing that I do want to make, the tikka masala beef kebabs. I've never made it before. So that's one I will be making. The crispy skin lemon chicken. Look how yummy and delicious that looks. Oh, man. I want that in my belly right now. The crusty lamb chops with green tahini. That looks delicious as well. I've never had lamb chops. The grilled Korean short ribs. I mean, look at that. 5 ingredients. Wowzers. This too, the chicken, pesto, and veggies. A ton of recipes in there, and it actually looks very exciting. I am so excited to try a lot of these recipes. Maybe I'll include some in the vlogs. If you guys would like to see them, let me know. Because I probably will be making a lot of these in the coming days. Then I also picked up one, or I just received one more thing that I want to show you guys. Look what I just got. The Sigma Untamed eyeshadow palette. I've heard so many people talk about this, and I just hadn't picked it up because I don't know. I have a lot of palettes and I didn't need it, but when it went 40% off, I was like, yep, getting it for sure. And they had free shipping, so oh my goodness, look how beautiful this palette looks. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. That shade right there, camouflage, looks gorgeous. Wicked. It's like a really dark black. I think everything's looking a little lighter than it actually is. Let me lower. There, that's more true to the colors right now. How beautiful. Envy. Oh, Dauntless, Loyal. Oh, I'm very excited, guys. Very excited about this palette. But it's kind of an older palette, so I don't know. Let me know if you guys would want to see me use this palette. I don't know if anybody would be interested, just because, I don't know, it's not very exciting anymore. Then it also comes with a brush. Their brushes are so nice. I get really excited when I get these brushes because they're not like your cheap brushes that you won't be using. You actually will use these brushes. So all their palettes, I believe, come with a brush. Hello everyone, it is 6:20 and I just got home. We went to Costco with my friend Joanna and her 2 cute little babies, and I bought a ton of things. And I wanted to show you what they are in case you might be interested. Probably not. Also, because it's so late, I picked up pizza because there's no way I'm gonna be able to make dinner right now. Caesars, I usually get the extra most bestest anything, but I got the thin crust, the stuffed crust extra most bestest. Francisco's gonna be very excited about that one. And what I do is I just do the online order, and then you just go in and get it out of the little portal that they have, so you don't have to talk to anybody, do anything. You just scan your little code, and it's super convenient. So I ended up getting my favorite marinara sauce of all time, the Rayo's homemade all natural premium marinara. This one has super good ingredients, and I love how this tastes. I've tried others and they just don't compare. This is like the best. I don't have to do anything. Some of the marinaras sometimes are sour. This one's not. This one I don't even have to do anything to it. The flavor is just amazing. Then I bought the Kirkland 100% Italian extra virgin olive oil because I've been wanting some of this, but I hadn't gotten around to getting it yet. I got the Plainville Farms oven roasted organic turkey breast, which is my favorite turkey. I don't really like lunch meat, but this one is a really good one because it doesn't even taste like lunch meat. It tastes like straight meat. Then got this to make maybe tomorrow or something. The wild sockeye salmon previously frozen. And I think this is the one that Bobby from Flavcity said that it was a good one to get from there. So I'm excited to make that. Got a big old bag of organic tortilla chips from the Kirkland brand. This is 2 pounds. That's a lot, but I got it to make nachos. Then Joanna, my friend, she bought a pack of these. They're organic roasted seaweed snack, but she ended up giving me half because she said she wasn't going to eat them. So got that. So that's exciting. She also gave me these, the other half of the 3 Bridges cheese and uncured bacon. You're probably going to like these.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Sound good. Then the Milton's organic multigrain gourmet crackers. These are really yummy to like snack on. And Last time I had them was in a multi-pack, and I didn't like the other ones they had, but I do like these, so I was excited to see a 4-pack of these.
Like the grasshopper who sang all summer. Like Germaine sodding gear.
Greer.
Well, anyway, I'm not having it. Hello, talent spotted.